Welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a simple graphic on Canva using an already designed graphic or template. Okay, we are not starting from scratch. We're going to be using an already designed template to do that. Okay, and when you want to do this, you can decide to search for a template. Now, for example, if you want to design a logo, you can select from the categories below. Okay, and you don't need to start thinking of the size. What should the size be? All these templates and categories have a default size. Okay, for example, if you want to design a flyer, once you select it, it comes with the default size. If you want to design a graphic for a Facebook post, okay, the size is already there. Okay, for an Instagram post. Now you can even search, even if it's not there here, even if what you want to design is not here, you can easily search for it. You can easily search for birthday, for example, birthday design. Okay, just put the keyword birthday. All right, and you see some templates. Okay, you see some templates. All right, you see several templates, and you can select from them. Okay, you can select from them, or you can click on the plus icon. When you click on the plus icon, you will see different templates. Okay, you see different templates. You can search for the thing you want to design. Okay, so but for me, I will always want to go by custom size. Okay, click on custom size and I will enter 4 by 4 inches. I will change the dimension. Okay, the dimension will be in inches, not in pixels. Okay, design it to what give you that concept. So all you need to do is to edit it and then change the necessary things you need to change the template. Okay, so we have a template here for blood sugar test. Okay, free blood sugar test, 14th of November 2020. So in observation of World Diabetes Day, pre-register at realgreatsite.com. okay, signed by San Gabriel Health Department. Okay, so we're going to edit this. As you can see, when I tap on this blood sugar, you see that there is a square that covered it with 4 nodes. I can increase it or reduce it. Now when I tap on this white box here, meaning this white is a separate object altogether. Now lastly, we have the background, which is the blue. Now I can decide to change the background to this color. I can decide to check out for more colors and change it. Okay, I think I like this. I like this color. Now one thing I want to do is I want to replace this white background with an image. I will replace it with an image. So I have tapped the white background and then I'll click on images. Now these are preloaded images in Canva. So let me search for hospital. Let me just look for hospital and see if I can use a hospital as this white background. Okay, let's look for the free images. Let's look for free images that we can use. Let's look for free images. The ones with crown, they are not free actually. Okay, let's use this. I like this one. This one at the left hand side, this building. Fine. Now you can see it's saying but it's quite not clear. It's the color overshadowed the text color. So but we'll work on it. And remember when I told you about graphics, I told you you need to understand colors. You need to learn how to blend colors, fonts and backgrounds. So now what I would do is that I would make this background transparent, a bit transparent. Now by tapping on it, you see the functionalities at the top right side. At the top right side, you see the functionalities at the top right side here. You see the functionalities at the top right side. Sorry, at the top right side, you see this resize to. So I'm not going to use it. You see the copy to the double square. You also see the delete sign. You see the circle with dots inside. So I will tap on the circle with dots inside and I'll click on this transparent to like and I can decide to shift it this way, and decide to shift it here, and I can also decide to pull this, but you just click and drag it to the position you want it to be. Okay, and I'll click on the good sign. Okay, now let's change the font of this date and the hospital and the name of the hospital. They are using Libra Franklin Bold. So let's look for another font. We can use Libra Franklin Medium, or we can use any other font. Let's just play around with the font. Let's play around with the font. Let's look for a font. Okay, let me use Advent Pro Bold and see how it looks like. Okay, I'll click on good. Now this observation here, it seems as if the black is swallowed, so I want to bolden it by clicking on this B sign here. As you can see, it's now bold, so it's better now. Or let's play around with other colors to see if it will work. Let's try white. White. Let's try blue. Blue won't work. Let's try yellow. Fine. It looks like yellow is working. It looks like yellow is working. Let's try another color. No. Let's try this. No. White. No. So I think between yellow and black, we will use one. Where's black? I think I see black here. Let's use the yellow color. Now if I want to select a brighter yellow, I can click on this. You see this square, the box you find before the red, the primary colors that you have used. Mind you, when working with such platform, the primary colors you are using will appear first. Now the block before the red color, you can use it to adjust and get more colors. Now if you have a color code, you can type it in here, but since I don't have a color code of heart, let's work on these colors and see if we could get a better color. I think I'm liking this. So now I think I need to also increase the font size of this. This is 12. Let's make it 15 and see how it goes. Okay, yeah, it's getting better. Let me expand the text a little. Okay, the yellow is still the background below this vegetation. The background has a vegetation and the color is swallowing the yellow, so I think I need to make the yellow black. Let's send it back to black and see how it looks like. Fine. So in this case, let me still send it back to the previous position. I will move this to this point and I'll send this up to this point. Okay, I think it's better now. Yes, it is readable. One can actually read it. Now for this red box, when I tap the red box, trying to get the red box. Okay, I think let me change the color to blue. Yes, blue. Let's see how it looks, and I'll send back this white color back there. Yeah, I think we have a good design. So we played around blue. All the prominent colors here are blue. It's just that we have a lighter blue, that is cyan. The background is cyan. The color is called cyan, a kind of sky blue. Then we now have a darker, a deep blue color here, and we have white. We have this. So I think this design is cool. It's cool. So this is our first simple design. We just created a design with one of the pre-made templates in Canva, and this design is promoting free blood sugar test that a hospital is planning to give to the masses, to people out there, in collaboration with the World Diabetes Day. So we have our design, and that is it. Now if you want to download your design to your mobile phone, all you need to do is to click on this arrow pointing downwards with a line under, and then your design will download. So let's tap here, preparing your design. Our design is trying to download. Can you see successfully saved? Tap to view. Let's tap our design. No, I don't want to upgrade. So once you are done, you just your design saved. You just tap anywhere and you can close your program. So all you need to do, and what I want you to do right now, is to come to your Canva and select any of these already designed templates and play around it, and try and play around it and post it on our membership group or on our coaching group, special group that you are in right now as a premium member, on our premium membership group, and post it, and let's see your design. So thank you, and see you in the next